if you don't know how to get to these, what you do is on the Xbox One, you want to press on the crosspad, you want to press the up, and you want to go down all the way down here to digital trips. Once there, you want to click on the one you want. Today I'll be doing the spider tank one. So trip your way into Bloom's War Machine and destroy Chicago. Let's do this. I'm here with Cherry the Kid RS again. I'm doing this mostly so that you can see what being a giant spider is like. Woo! I'm a giant spider. Spider that is giant. That makes so much sense. Woo! Alright. Alright, I gotta destroy 3 cop cars, I think. Destroy 4 vehicles, okay. 1, 2, 3. Nope, not yet. Die cops. G. Grace, I can count. I can count, Grace. Oh, I'm so good. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna climb on top of a wall. Oh, I love this one. This is my favorite part of the game. Oh, 12 cops. I'm just gonna step on you. There, stepped on. Not a cop.
System integrity 75%.
And I'm pretty sure I can. I'm pretty sure. Like, onto something, but maybe not. I don't know. Ah, you're killing me. Die, please. I only have 39 more seconds to do this. Alright, I'll have to kill 4 more cops. Where are they? Oh, there's a couple over here.
Do you really want to go home? Head around.
Oh, I did it! Woo! Wait, 2 satellite beacons. Where are the satellite beacons? Oh, there's one. I gotta get to it. A minute to do this. Ooh! Where are you? Alright, if I can even get a good enough aim for this. Can I do it? Oh, I'm so good! Can I do a map too? What would happen if I got hit by the train? Oh, I got a skill point! God. And my game's lagging, I thought. Nope, I'm still good. Okay, I gotta get to the top of this building.
System integrity 75%.
Oh sweet, on the edge of the map. Oh, I crushed that satellite beacon. Now what do I have to do? Where's the armored truck? Where's the armor? Oh, I found the armored truck. It's 500 meters away. Ugh. Gotta get to this as quick as I can. The thing about the armored truck is it's always on the move. So harder to get to. I keep jumping. There. Closer. Oh, I found it. Back here. Ooh, armored truck. Ew. I lost it. Oh god. Oh, there it is. Back here. Back here. Stop it. Okay. Oh, I can't run. God, I only have 27 more seconds. Jump. Jump. Get over here. Now. You. I hate you. And I failed. Yeah, I only got 10 seconds left. I'm not catching up to it. Yeah. Oh, last chance. Nope, I lost it. Oh, dang it, I was doing so good too. Alright, let's see my skill points and stuff, and then we'll go for another round. Oh, new record. Alright, so skill tree. What's here? The basics, the abilities, or the weapons? Let's do abilities. What's this? Hydraulic claws. Optimized tech. The spider claw costs less. Okay. What about this one? Fall on people, and press X to perform a spider crush. You have 1 skill point left, so let's look at the basics. Extra reactor, reinforced plating, energy. Let's do energy recycling. Alright, so I have no skill points left. And let's go again. Just in case you're curious, guys, how I'm recording my Xbox screen, what I'm doing is I'm using Twitch to record, and then what I'm going to do is after I'm going to export to YouTube, or if I can, save it to my computer so I can add in my outro.
Squad to all units.
Then get it to YouTube.
Some kind of armored vehicle. Move in to neutralize.
Welcome, operator. All systems running at optimum levels.
Now I hit jump. 3 vehicles, just like before. These count as vehicles, or do they have to be police vehicles? Have to be police vehicles. Or maybe not. Okay. Now what? What do I have to do now? So 12 cops. He's okay.
Watch out! Shots fired!
There's a cop in that car. If I can destroy that car. Oh, it's got an energy boost. Oh god, I'm getting shot.
He moved to flank. Heads up!
What are you shooting me for? Oh god, there's like a million over here.
System integrity, 50%.
I wanna die now. Oh, I got a new skill point.
System integrity.
Actually, there's a lot of fire involved in this.
Systems failure.
Oh no, I just got killed. I'm a giant metal spider and I got killed. I was neutralized by the police. Alright, let's go to the skill tree because I have 2. Alright, I'll finish up with the abilities. And that's it. No, I do not want to wake up.
Units, we've got a priority 1 situation. A heavily armored military vehicle has been reported in a
Ooh, it's me, I'm a giant spider. Spider that is giant. In case you didn't know what a giant spider was. If you didn't, you'd be pretty stupid. Boom. Boom. Oh, I'm so good. Boom. Destroy the ambulance. Alright, here's where I died last time. I was neutralized by the police. Oh, 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 oh.
You got nowhere to go. One of our guys is down.
Oh. Yeesh. Actually killing myself.
He's down.
Oh. Oh god, I'm dying.
System integrity 50%.
Woo! Woo! Oh, I'm so good. Destroy 2 satellite beacons.
Must evacuate the impact.
Enough? I just gotta get to the top of this building. Super jump! I'm Spider-Man! Or I'm the Spider. Man, Spider. Oh, please can't reach me up here. Oh, super jumping is so good. I'm gonna land on top of the satellite. Other one is that's away.
That's up a shot. Oh, that thing is up.
It's away. I'm gonna avoid all of the cops so that like they don't like shoot me. That a good plan, Grace. Avoid the cops so they don't shoot me. That's like the best plan that anyone can ever come up with. Alright, now I gotta find the armored truck, right? Next mission is the armored truck, right? Oh, yep. Mission 4 out of 15. Where's the armored truck? Oh, there it is. Back here. Oh, go. Waste. Truck. Truck of armor. Oh, almost got it. Back here. It's back here. You. Oh, I did it. Oh, I did it. Oh, I'm so good. Oh, I'm so good. Oh, I'm so good. We should have to do missions. I wish we could just re-roll as like this giant spider. That would be like the best thing ever. Okay, so I have to take down this helicopter. I'm zooming in on accident.
System integrity 75%.
Oh god, I'm gonna die.
System integrity 50%.
Boom! Did it. Gotta get away from everything so I can heal. Where the fall am I doing? 18 cops?
System integrity 75%.
Oh,
System integrity 50%.
He's down. Up.
I'm so
System
good.
integrity 25%.
Oh no! Oh no! Alright, so I got killed again. I got another new record though. And 3 skill points. Do this one, and this one. Alright, sweet. No, I do not want to wake up. I'm gonna do this a couple more times.
Units, we've got a priority 1 situation. A heavily armored military vehicle has been reported in a high population zone. We need
Welcome, operator. All systems running at optimum.
Oh!
Get an ambulance! He's hit! Closing in! Got him off!
Oh wow. Okay, I was fast. Oh no. Do not kill me. I am unkillable. Okay. Though. Boom, boosh. I just love it. When I first figured out what this was, I literally fell in love with this. Yes?
In a body bag, your choice!
Alright, I gotta kill 2 more cops. There we go. Next is the 2 satellite beacons, right? Yep, the satellite beacons and the armored truck, then the helicopter. And then kill the 18 cops, which is what I failed on last time. Beacon destroyed. Another one. These cops all shooting me. Oh, but there I go. Oh, on the train tracks. Is there an L train? I don't think so. Alright, so next we gotta kill the armored truck.
climbing the wall. Bring in air support.
There it is. I found it already. Stop right there. Stop in the name of Spider. Oh. I'm not losing you today. It. Oh, I did it. Oh, I'm so good. Wait, helicopter. Oh, that was done quick.
I'll pick them off. I'll cover you.
Alright, so I gotta kill 18 cops in 2 minutes. I gotta do 10 more cops in a minute and 15 seconds. There's a cop car. Okay, 8 more. A helicopter. Oh.
System integrity 50%. System integrity 25%.
You only make things worse.
More cop. 35 more seconds.
Systems failed.
Oh, I did it!
Down.
Oh, I beat the mission just as I died. Well, let's see if we can finish up the basics. 2 points, 2 points, and 2 points. So that is not going to happen today. Overload. Alright, so guys, I think we're going to do this for one last time. And then I'll stop the recording. Let's do this. Let's see if I can get past... Like, I died, like, just after I beat that defeat the 18 cop mission, so I have no idea what mission is after that. So we gotta make this the best mission since the last one.
Squad to all units. Suspect is mobile in some kind of armored vehicle. Move in to neutralize.
Welcome, operator. All systems running at optimum
Woo!
levels.
Hey, cops! Get a piece of this! What? Boom! I killed 12 cops. He's okay. Only 2 per car, so that normally goes right.
What is that?
Three more. Cops. More. Aren't cops, those are people. I still get extra points for killing them. There we go, success. Alright, now I gotta find these satellite beacons.
Satellite targeting is online and a missile is inbound.
Hope this stream actually saved. I think it fixed the problem where when my streams don't save. I think I fixed that. Alright, so that's one of the beacons destroyed. And the other one. Keep the L train tracks. And my iPad's gonna die soon. That's happy news. My iPad's what I'm FaceTiming Terry on.
This can't be happening. This isn't Spider-Man!
I am the ultimate mega spider. I can walk on the barrier of the world.
This isn't real! This isn't real!
Oh, I got it! Oh god. The armored truck's probably gonna spawn like the complete opposite of the world.
All units, suspect has gone vertical. Repeat, suspect has gone vertical.
It's not bad.
What is that?
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Yep, I know where the armored truck is. Better get on the ground ASAP. Stop like tripping out. Oh, boom. I found it.
What is it?
Up. Back here. You. Yes. Hey, okay.
Copy that. Suspect on the run. Air units on the way.
I destroy a helicopter. Easy peasy. Oh, I'm not good. Bring it past the 18 cops.
Whoa!
That was a cop.
System integrity 75%.
I'll pick 'em off.
Seven cops left. On.
System
Oh,
integrity
there's another helicopter.
50%.
Down. I have more cops.
I'll drop the hammer on them from
System
here.
integrity 25%.
Four. Three.
Systems failing.
Ah, dang it! I was so close. I had 3 cops left. And then I died. Oh, it's been fun. I got pretty far in the skills thing, actually. Anyways, guys, let's wake ourselves up. Oh, that was actually really fun. I'm glad I got to record that. Oh, where am I? Oof. I'm in an alleyway. Ha 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 ha. I'm funny. Anyways, guys, that was Watch Dogs Digital Trips, the Spider Tank one. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button and the subscribe button down below. Comment if you want to. I don't care. And fun. The closest bridge. That way. So I'm heading in the right direction. This way, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, I'll give you guys a minute of gameplay. Woo! Alright, am I going the right way? I go this way, which is this way, maybe? I say it's this way. Hey, don't judge me if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll just end the video. I just gotta find the bridge. Oop. Oh, no, I am going the right way. Ooh. A video to finish. Gotta get down there. Ready for this? And spin. Oh god, cops to me. We gotta do this quickly. So let me just raise the bridge.
911, please state the nature
Alright.
of your emergency. Send the police. We're gonna need them fast.
I will see you guys
Watch all units and
in the next video.